Okay. All right, y'all. So I just came from Dollar Tree and picked up a few things. I picked up some arts and craft stuff for my son to do, and I got him a little activity book with some stickers in it, Star Wars. We got some mazes and all kind of stuff in there, so I think he'll like it. He already saw a preview of it. And then I also just picked up disinfectant wipes, because they're, with little kids, you're just always wiping something down. And then I also picked up some Glade air fresheners that I saw they had some good scents, and I just wanted to pick those up really quick because I seen the price went up at Walmart, and they're like $1.98 or $1.48, where they used to be 98 cents. So why not just get them for $1.25? So yeah, this one right here is marshmallow Irish cream. And so I usually see at the Dollar Tree that they'll have like limited edition Glade air fresheners or whatever got discontinued, whatever is not, you know, selling in the regular store. So I didn't want to go to Walmart because I don't really want to spend money, but I have to, and I purchase like things in bulk, like fish and chicken breasts to like cook. You know, I've stockpiled on that, and after a while it gets, you know, old, and my son is like, I don't want this, I don't want that. So I'm just gonna run into Walmart and get a few things. If I don't find a space up front, I'm leaving. And I don't think I will, because that's a Walmart. Here's one. No, pick up. I should have got that one that's up there. What do I really need from here? Fruit and stuff like that. I'll get all of that tomorrow. I'll get that tomorrow. I'll walk with my kids to Publix, get some expend some energy. So yeah, I'm going to pick up a pizza. You don't like it?
Thank you.
Sorry, JJ. But look at this. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at
That's
this.
why I buy these things for you, so that you can be creative and do what you want.
Okay.
Get ideas from your own mind and put it on the
What
star.
color do you think I should take though? Please.
I don't know. How about try green, blue, yellow?
Okay.
What kind of combination do you want to do? Do you want to use more than one color? You could do some colors right here at the top on the edges and then a different color on the inside. It's up to you.
I'll do this.
Everything you do.
Da, 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 It's white and black, orange and yellow. Da 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 da.
We had some heavy storms last night, actually all day yesterday. And so far the plants haven't turned white like this leaf right here. So I think it's the water from the hose, because none of the other ones are like that. They did pretty well.
Thanks. I needed a vacation, said the dinosaur. Welcome, said the camp owner.
Mm-hmm.
You are the first dinosaur we ever had here. And with love, we will where the storm.
What's that last letter in that W word?
Right here.
Mm-hmm. What's that last letter?
Word.
What is the last letter?
R.
So what sound does R make?
R.
So read that word one more time.
Word.
Read that word one more time. What sound does that TH word make? TH.
Duh. Duh.
TH together.
Duh.
Okay, so let's try that. Try to read. Exactly.
Weather the storm and light up the sky.
Good job, baby.
To get there.
Yes. All right, y'all. So I'm about to plant some lalo. Some people call it jute leaves or Egyptian spinach, but I've already prepared my little area. Dug out this little section a bit. Gotta hurry up because I can hear my kids screaming inside, fighting. But that's the spinach right there. Finally started growing, and I believe I did three seeds in each area, and I did 3 like sections. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And I did notice that I planted them a little too close to this edge, but we're gonna work it out because there's nothing else here right now. And speaking of that, I might have to dig out. I'm not gonna dig it out actually. I'm just gonna put my seeds like right along this side right here. So he's not fighting her. Ooh, it's a lot of seeds. I'm gonna do 3 again. I'm actually just this handful. I'm gonna kind of spread them out all throughout here because I see the way that they grow, and they're pretty tall and skinny, so not very much of a wide plant. So just lightly cover it. Hopefully it starts raining again. And I thought that would be good to do it right after the rain because the soil will be moist. Wasn't too moist, but. And then I'll come back once they start growing. This little area that I've piled up, I'm gonna, enclose the plants a little bit more. So I have a little bit of seeds left. So we got a little bit of seeds left. I'm gonna hold on to these and maybe plant them once these start rising. So that way they're a little fresher and we have them throughout the year. Somebody's sad because they can't watch Mario. But we're watching Little Mermaid today. Maybe next Tuesday you can watch Mario.
Yeah, but look at the screen.
Yeah, that's because we're early.
But this girl's happy.
That's what I thought. I'll just wait. Just so I don't be biased.
Mario! Let's go! Mario! Mario! That's my favorite Mario.
Oh, okay. I thought so. Let's go. Come on. Just wanted to see something because I didn't see the Little Mermaid being advertised. So
It's on.
she's a music producer. She records Barbie's song.
One more time. One more. This stripe. Grab these. Now go like that.
All right.